There's a certain magic that fills the air when Christmas is near. The twinkling lights, the falling snow, and at the heart of it all, the perfect Christmas tree. Can you feel it? That sense of anticipation, of joy, of wonder. That's the magic of Christmas. And the Christmas tree, the beacon of this joyous season, plays a pivotal role in this enchanting dance of festive cheer. It's not just a tree, it's a symbol of love, unity, and the warmth of family. It's where we gather to share stories, exchange gifts, and create memories that last a lifetime. It's the cornerstone of the holiday season, the centerpiece of our homes, the star of our Christmas celebrations. But the quest for the perfect tree can often be a hassle. What if there was a way to bring that perfect Christmas tree home without the fuss? Enter the 6-foot pre-lit artificial Christmas tree, a marvel of holiday decor that brings the magic of Christmas right into your living room. This tree isn't just a tree, it's a pre-lit spectacle, boasting 170 warm white lights that twinkle with holiday cheer. No need for untangling strings of lights or wrestling with extension cords, this tree is ready to glow right out of the box. But that's not all. This tree is pre-decorated too. It's adorned with natural green leaves, pine cones, and leaves flocked with the look of fresh snow. With an impressive 595 branch tips, the tree offers a rich, full look that's reminiscent of a lush winter forest. The design is so complete you might just decide to skip the ornaments this year. With its elegant look, this tree will light up any room, creating a festive atmosphere in an instant. But this tree isn't just about looks, it's built to last. This 6-foot pre-lit artificial Christmas tree stands tall and proud thanks to its sturdy iron base. Unlike other trees that use cheaper plastic stands, this one opts for a solid metal stand with a protective plastic cover on the end. This thoughtful design not only adds stability to the tree, but also protects your floor. Moreover, safety is a top priority. The tree is made from environment-friendly and non-flammable polyvinyl chloride material, which means it's flame-resistant. So, you can decorate and light it up without any worries. Now, let's talk about assembly. This tree comes with clear and brief instructions, making setup a breeze. It has a hinged design, which means the branches expand easily, giving the tree a full, lush appearance. But remember, patience is key when expanding those branches to achieve the best look. So, you not only get a beautiful tree but also a safe, sturdy, and easy-to-assemble one. Let's take a moment to appreciate what this tree offers. This isn't just any Christmas tree, it's pre-lit and pre-decorated, ready to dazzle straight out of the box. With a substantial 170 warm white lights and a sprinkling of pine cones among its snow-flocked leaves, you save precious time and effort on decorating. The tree stands tall and proud on a sturdy iron base, ensuring it stays upright throughout the holiday season, while also protecting your floor. And let's not forget this tree is flame-resistant, prioritizing your safety during the festive season. But the star on top, the easy assembly. With a clear instruction manual and a hinged design, setting up this tree is a breeze. And when the season ends, it's just as simple to disassemble and store. This holiday season, skip the hassle and bring home the 6-foot pre-lit artificial Christmas tree, because nothing should come between you and the magic of Christmas.